Carrots are one of the root vegetables that we use most often in cooking. It colors salads with its color, flavors dishes with its taste. Carrots are also a vegetable that we have always grown up with the saying, "You should eat carrots for your eyes," since childhood. Carrots have been proven to have numerous benefits with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This root vegetable from the Apiaceae family is often consumed both raw and cooked. In some regions, even the plant part is eaten in salads. Carrots are considered especially important for vitamin A supplementation with the carotene compound. It also contains vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin E. This vegetable, which gets its orange color from the beta-carotene content, plays an important role in preventing age-related yellow spot disease by improving your corneal health. Usually, when winter comes and viruses spread, we remember our immune system. Vitamin A is important in strengthening the immune system. The benefits of carrots to the skin again come from the beta-carotene property. Beta-carotene works to protect the skin from damage caused by UV radiation. The luteolin found in carrots is important for maintaining brain health. Carrots help prevent cognitive strain while keeping your memory strong. Carrots, which have a protective role against cardiovascular diseases and hypertension, can also be effective in lowering cholesterol. It is known that carrots have a prebiotic role and thus feed beneficial bacteria in the intestines. Carrots are known for their high sugar content compared to other vegetables, but carrots are also anti-diabetic. Vegetables that are low in calories, high in fiber, and high in water, such as carrots, are extremely successful in giving a feeling of satiety thanks to the structure, fiber, and juice of carrots. You think that you get full quickly. It is known that free radicals cause oxidative stress in the body, which leads to health problems such as cancer and cardiovascular diseases in the long term. If you include antioxidant vegetables and fruits, such as carrots, in your diet, you will have made a great investment in your health. The benefits of carrots during pregnancy attract attention because carrots contain powerful beta-carotene and vitamins. In terms of calcium, it is also important for pregnant women to consume carrots. Carrots are a food that can be preferred for the immunity of both the expectant mother and the baby. Bon appétit!